Hello viewers, this is yet another day. We will continue with our day-to-day activities. So here we have a question we are supposed or expected to simplify. So in this topic or in this particular question, we are going to apply some algebraic concepts. We are going to also apply some quadratic concepts. So when we have such a kind of a question, we can rewrite the numerator and start solving it from the numerator perspective of view. We have 3x squared minus 4xy plus y squared. So having this as our numerator, the first thing we should do to our numerator, we can use quadratic factorization. There is a previous video I did on how to factorize a quadratic equation. So this one being an algebraic expression, we are going to simplify it through quadratic factorization. How do we go about it? We first determine the product, and the product, you know, is AC. AC, we said, is the first term multiplied by the coefficient of the third term, so that will be 3. Then we have the sum. The sum is equal to B, which is negative 4. Then we have our factors, and our factors are going to be two numbers which we can multiply to give us positive 3, and upon adding them they give us negative 4, will be negative 3 and negative 1. So those are our two factors in which we can multiply them to give us positive 3, add them to give us negative 4. So after getting our factors, we are going to continue to simplify. So we will have 3x squared. Instead of having minus 4xy, we will replace b with the factors, and therefore we will have minus 3xy minus xy plus y squared. So that is our expression. Having this as our expression, we are then going to factorize 2 by 2, and we are going to have the common factor here is 3x. So we have 3x into bracket x minus y. Then the common factor in our last two, we have y, so we have minus y. We will have x minus y. So if you check very well, minus y times x is equal to minus xy, and minus y times minus y is equal to plus y squared, since a negative number multiplied by a negative number should give us a positive number. So we have x minus y. We pick 1 in the bracket, then we pick the one outside the bracket, 3x minus y. So we are already done simplifying the numerator. So we then go to the denominator. So we have the denominator, and our denominator is 9x squared minus y squared. So having our denominator here, we are going to apply a quadratic identity, which we refer to as a difference of two squares. A difference of two squares. A difference of two squares. So a difference of two squares simply states that when we have a squared minus b squared is the same as a minus b, that is the square root of a squared is a, the square root of b squared is b, then we multiply it by its conjugate, that is a plus b. So that is what we call a difference of two squares. And since our expression here conforms to this law, we have 9x squared minus y squared is going to be, this is a perfect square. So a perfect square always has a perfect root. So the square root will be 3x. The square root of y squared will be y. Then we multiply it with its conjugate. That is 3x plus y. And by doing that, we have already simplified our denominator. So as we are proceeding, I want you to understand we have already simplified the numerator, and we have now simplified the denominator. So let us now find our final simplification, and we are going to take our numerator x minus y, 3x minus y over 3x minus y, 3x plus y. So having this, we are going to simplify. We have 3x minus y and 3x minus y. That will cancel with that one. And therefore, our final answer will be x minus y over 3x plus y. So that is how we simplify algebraic expressions. Such we use quadratic factorization to simplify. And finally, you will get x minus y over 3x plus y as your final answer. So remember to click on the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, and here you click the like button, and also turn on the notification bell so that each and every time I upload a new video, you always be updated on what is happening. As I promised earlier, I am always uploading a new video each and every day, so that we keep on perfecting in mathematics, so that we keep on becoming better and better in mathematics. Let me meet you soon in our next lesson. Thank you so much as you improve in your weak areas. Thank you, thank you, thank you.